In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and export your Skool member list. This is a quick and simple process, but it's extremely useful if you want to analyze your community data, back up your member information, or sync it with other tools like email platforms or CRMs. I'll walk you through each click, keep it clear and straightforward, and share a few practical tips along the way. First, make sure you're logged into your Skool account with a role that has permission to view and manage members, such as an admin or community owner. Once you're logged in, head to your Skool dashboard. This is your main home base inside Skool, where you can see your communities, posts, and overall activity. From your dashboard, open the specific community whose member list you want to export. You can usually do this by clicking on the community name or icon. Give the page a moment to load, and you should see the familiar Skool layout with tabs like Classroom, Community, Calendar, and so on. Now, look for the tab or menu item labeled Members. This is the area where Skool shows everyone who belongs to your community. Go ahead and click on Members. Once the Members page opens, you'll see a list of all your members along with details such as their name and other profile information that Skool makes available. At the top right, or sometimes near the upper section of this Members page, you'll find an option labeled Export. This is the key to downloading your member list. Click on the Export button. When you click Export, Skool will generate a file containing your member data, typically in a CSV format. A CSV file can be opened in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or imported into many marketing and analytics platforms. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically to your default Downloads folder, or you might be prompted to choose where to save it. Select a clear location and a name you'll recognize later. Once the download is complete, you can open the file to review or use it however you need. Remember to handle this exported member list carefully, since it may contain personal or contact information. Store it securely, share it only with trusted team members, and follow any relevant privacy or data protection guidelines for your business. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and exported your Skool member list.